Let's try this another example. Say we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 all over x squared plus 2. So, makikita natin yung denominator is a type of a quadratic factor. So, ang gagawin natin is ganito lang. So, we have a x plus b over x squared plus 2. Ganyan ha. Pag nakita kayo ng quadratic factor, so ganyan yung pagtira. So, ang gagawin natin is same pa rin. Let's multiply this whole equation to this quadratic factor na quadratic factor, which is x squared plus 2. X squared plus 2. So, eto, matitira dito is multiply natin distribute. So, we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 2. Pati sa kabila, magka-cancel out. So, we only have ax plus b. So, para makuha din agad natin yung value ni either a or b, let natin x is equal to 0. So, isa-substitute natin to sa nakuha natin na equation. So, kung ilagay natin dito 0 si x, ayan, 0. Therefore, makukuha natin yung value ni b. So, ilan yan? 0, 0. Therefore, ang value ni b is negative 2. Tama? So, ito yung sagot kay letter B. Then we have, we need to find the value of A. Paano ba? Since we already know the value of B, substitute na lang din natin sa original equation, given that x is equal to 0. So, say we have, sulat natin dito, we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 over x squared plus 2 is equal to ax plus b over x squared plus 2. Okay? Now, kung gagamitin natin si x is equal to 0, magka-cancel out si a, so wala din tayo makukuha. So, let's try na yung value ni x will be 1. So, let x is equal to 1. Then, substitute. Ayan. So, lagay natin dito 1 ang value niyan. Ito 1. Ito 1. Ito 1. Ito 1. Then, we all know that the value of b is negative 2. Therefore, kaya natin makuha yung value ni a. So, we have a, simplify muna natin to. We have 2 plus 4 minus 2 over, that's 1 squared 1, so 1 plus 3. We have here a, that's negative 2, that's minus 2 over, that's 1 squared plus 1, so that's 1 plus 2. Ano pala to? Tawag nito. 2 pala to. So, we have 2. Ayan. So, etong 1 plus 2 tsaka 1 plus 2, pwede itong mag-cancel out. Okay, so, ano na lang. Cancel out natin to. So, ang matitira is, we have 2 plus 4, that's 6 minus 2, that's 4. This is 4, tapos may negative 2 pa dito, transpose natin sa kabila. That's 6. That's 6, so therefore, yan yung value ni A. Okay? So, Try nga natin kung tama yung yung pagka-solve ko. 2 plus 4 minus 2. Ayan. Transpose it 2, that's plus 2. We have 6. Alright. Now for checking naman, ayan. So, sulat natin, we have 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 over x squared plus 2. That's ax plus b over x squared plus 2. Ayan. Normally, yung sa linear factor, ang ginagawa natin for checking is nagsiset tayo kay x which is equal to 0. Now, kung gagawin natin yun, magiging 0 si a. Tama? Pero, pwede din naman, di ba? Kasi nga, ang purpose lang naman for checking is malaman natin kung same ba yung both sides, yung sa left and right natin. Sige nga, try natin yung try natin si x is equal to 0. So, eto, set natin 0, eto 0, eto 0. So, ang matitira dyan, teka lang, 0 to 0. So, we have 0 to 0. So, we have negative 2. Ito naman is, that's 0, that's 2. Actually, yung b, may value tayo which is negative 2. Ito yung kay a is 6, pero useless pa rin kasi magiging 0 yan kasi yung katabi is 0. So, we have negative 2 over 2. Ayan, same. So, negative 2 over 2, that's negative 1. Is equal to negative 1. So, therefore, tama yung nakuha natin na sagot. Now, another checking, let's try to use x is equal to 1 para ma-double check natin if tama ba talaga yung mga values na nakuha natin. So, ito yung value ni a. So, rewrite natin 2x squared plus 4x minus 2 over x squared plus 2. So, sa kabila is ax plus b over x squared plus 2. So, substitute natin yung value ni x which is equal to 1. So, sorry. We have 1. That's 1. That's 1. This is 1. This is 1. So, ilan ba yan? 1 squared, 2 plus 4, that's 6 minus 2. That's 4 over 3. So, itong sa kabila, we have, yung value ni a is 6. Then, yung value ni b is negative 2. Therefore, we have 6 times 1, that's 6 plus negative 2, that's 4. That's 4 over, that's 1 squared, that's 1 plus 2, that's 3. Ayun. Oo nga, so same yung sagot. Okay, so yun, tama yung nakuha nating value ni a tsaka b. So that's it. Yan yung way of solving para kay quadratic factor.